Welcome, dear listener, to a culinary adventure that will take you around the world, right from the comfort of your kitchen. I'm Melissa, but you can call me Lyssa. I've spent years traveling, cooking, and learning from the best kitchens across the globe. Today, I want to share with you the joy of exploring global cuisine, expanding your culinary horizons, and embracing the vibrant diversity of flavors and techniques that our world has to offer. You know, cooking isn't just about following recipes, it's about connecting with cultures, understanding traditions, and bringing people together. Each dish tells a story, and each ingredient has a history. When I first started my journey into global cuisine, it was the curiosity that drove me, the desire to understand how different cultures express themselves through food. I remember my first trip to Thailand, where I was introduced to the magic of balancing sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors in a single dish. That experience was a turning point in my career. It taught me that cooking is an art of balance, a dance of flavors that, when done right, can create something truly magical. One of the most important things I've learned is the significance of mastering the right techniques. Whether it's stir-frying in a scorching hot wok or gently folding a delicate sushi roll, the technique is key. I remember learning to use a mortar and pestle in an Italian kitchen, a simple tool that brought out complex flavors I never knew existed. It was in these moments that I realized how important it is to respect the traditions and methods passed down through generations. But don't worry, I'll break down these techniques for you, making them simple and easy to follow. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, you'll find something here to help you elevate your cooking. Let's start our journey in Asia, a continent brimming with diverse cuisines. The vibrant street food of Thailand, the delicate sushi of Japan, the rich curries of India, each offers a unique culinary experience. I'll guide you through making a classic pad Thai, where you'll learn to balance flavors just like a Thai street vendor. Then we'll roll up our sleeves and make sushi at home. Don't be intimidated. I'll walk you through each step, from choosing the right fish to mastering the rolling technique. And of course, we'll dive into the rich aromatic world of Indian cuisine with a comforting butter chicken. The key to mastering these dishes lies in understanding the balance of flavors and the importance of fresh, quality ingredients. Moving on to the Mediterranean, we find ourselves surrounded by the simplicity and elegance of Italian, Greek, and Spanish cuisines. These dishes are all about fresh ingredients, vibrant herbs, and of course, good olive oil. Let me share with you the secret to a perfect Greek salad, a simple yet flavorful mix of tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta. Or perhaps you'd like to try your hand at making paella, the famous Spanish rice dish bursting with seafood and saffron. And don't forget tzatziki, a creamy yogurt dip that's perfect for those summer barbecues. I'll share with you how to make each of these dishes with ease, focusing on the techniques that bring out the best in each ingredient. Now let's head to Latin America, a region where food is not just a meal, but a celebration. I remember attending a lively fiesta in Mexico, where I learned to make tamales with a group of local women. The joy of cooking and eating together was infectious, and it's that spirit I want to bring into your kitchen. We'll make tacos al pastor, marinated pork served on warm corn tortillas, topped with fresh pineapple and cilantro. Then we'll prepare ceviche, a Peruvian dish where fresh fish is cured in citrus juice, a dish that's as refreshing as it is flavorful. And of course, we'll make empanadas, those delightful Argentinian pastries filled with savory meat or cheese. The Middle East offers a rich tapestry of flavors, and I can't wait to share with you some of my favorite dishes from this region. We'll make falafel, crispy chickpea patties that are perfect for stuffing into pita bread. Then we'll slow cook a Moroccan tagine, a stew that's bursting with spices and dried fruits. And for dessert, we'll indulge in baklava, a sweet pastry layered with nuts and honey syrup. Each of these dishes tells a story, and as we cook, I'll share with you the history and traditions behind them. Europe is home to some of the world's most beloved dishes, and I've had the pleasure of learning from the best chefs in Paris, Rome, and beyond. I'll guide you through making a classic coq au vin, where chicken is braised in red wine with mushrooms and onions, a dish that's as comforting as it is elegant. We'll also prepare sauerbraten, a traditional German pot roast that's marinated for days before slow cooking to perfection. And for dessert, we'll make tiramisu, the beloved Italian dessert made with coffee-soaked ladyfingers and rich mascarpone cheese. These European classics are all about technique and quality ingredients, and I'll show you how to master them in your own kitchen. But cooking isn't just about following tradition, it's also about creativity. Fusion cuisine is where the magic happens, where different culinary traditions blend to create something new and exciting. I'll share with you some of my favorite fusion recipes, like Korean tacos, a delicious combination of Korean BBQ and Mexican street food. Or how about a sushi burrito, combining the best of sushi and burritos into a portable meal? And for something truly unique, we'll make spaghetti with Thai peanut sauce, a dish that's unexpected yet incredibly delicious. I'll encourage you to experiment in your own kitchen, mixing and matching ingredients from different cuisines to create your own fusion masterpieces. No culinary journey is complete without indulging in desserts from around the world. I have a sweet tooth, and I've fallen in love with desserts from every corner of the globe. We'll make churros, those crispy Spanish dough sticks served with chocolate sauce. We'll try our hand at mochi, Japanese rice cakes with a chewy texture and sweet filling. And of course, we'll revisit baklava, because once is never enough. Desserts are all about timing and patience, and I'll guide you through each recipe to ensure your sweets are perfect every time. As we bring this culinary journey to a close, I want to encourage you to take what you've learned and start creating your own global-inspired dishes. Whether you're cooking for your family, hosting a dinner party, or just experimenting in the kitchen, the world of global cuisine is full of endless possibilities. Menu planning can be a fun and creative process, and I'll share with you some tips on how to bring together dishes from different cuisines to create a meal that's as harmonious as it is delicious. Remember, cooking is an adventure. It's about exploring new flavors, experimenting with techniques, and most importantly, enjoying the process. I've shared with you my love for global cuisine, but this is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover, so many more flavors to try, and I hope this journey has inspired you to keep exploring. Whether you're recreating a dish from your travels or trying something completely new, the kitchen is a place where cultures come together and every meal is a celebration. Thank you for joining me on this journey through global cuisine. I hope you've enjoyed cooking with me, learning new techniques, and discovering the joy of global flavors. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep cooking with an open heart and an adventurous spirit. Until next time, happy cooking!